Hey, Remy.
This as well.
Remy, can you say turtle? Come here. Hey, Remy, come here. Look at her curls. Say turtle. Can you say it? Oh, did you bring me a book? Hey, can you say turtle? Come on, say it. Okay. Where's the ball? You have ball? Where's the socks? Dog? Doggy?
Doggy?
Yeah, there's a doggy. Good job. Oh, that's very good. Hey, where's your turtle? Remy, can you say turtle?
Turtle. Turtle.
Yeah, it's a turtle. Do you love turtles? Well, what was that? Oh, was that a flower? Yeah. Do you see the butterfly?
Bye.
Yeah, butterfly. Oh, what else is on that page? Huh? Hey, can you look at me? Hi, can you smile? Oh, you too pretty. Oh, you're right, there's a baby. Where's Dada? Oh, yeah, there's Dada. Oops. There's Dada. Where's Shady? Where's Shady? Yeah, there's Shady. Shady's sleeping. Where's your babies? Oh, you giving Shady your babies? Yeah. Remy, are you 16 months old? Oh, yes you are. You're beautiful. Where's Lucy? Where's Lucy? There's Lucy. Can you go give Lucy a kiss? Oh, that was so nice. Lucy, give Remy a kiss. Oh, can you give your baby a kiss? Oh, that's so nice. You're so sweet. Give her another kiss. Oh. Hey, Remy, do you have curls? Scott, she's like kissing her babies. Got it all on tape. Is that your daddy? Can you give your daddy a kiss? Remy, give your daddy a kiss. Come on, give your daddy a kiss.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a kiss.
Remy, give daddy a kiss.
Have a kiss.
Give daddy a kiss. Come on.
Remy. Give me a kiss.
Oh.
Thank you. Give your babies a kiss. Mwah. Thank you. Mwah.
Uh-oh.